Sibme Huddles come in a few different forms, but they all serve a common purpose: sharing videos or artifacts and having meaningful conversations and discussions with others in your account. In order to share something with others in your account, you must be participating in a huddle with them. Huddles can be found under the Huddles tab in both the web and mobile devices. All huddles are by invitation or creation only, and you will only see and receive notifications for huddles in which you are a participant. Additionally, by default, only account owners and super admins, as well as admins, have the ability to create huddles. However, the account owner can turn on the ability to create collaboration huddles for users. Collaboration huddles are what we call here at Sibme flat spaces, because they are primarily used for individuals with a common focus or role in engaging in collaboration as a peer team, group, or cohort.
Participants of collaboration huddles can have one of four roles. The person that creates the huddle is called the creator. The creator is the huddle manager with the ability to manage huddle settings, artifacts, and comments shared in the huddle. The creator can also give this management permission to others in the huddle by making them an owner. Like the creator, owners have the ability to manage huddle settings, artifacts, and comments shared by anyone in the huddle. Members in a huddle cannot manage others, but have the ability to manage the comments, artifacts, and videos that they share to the huddle. The creators, owners, and members are all able to share videos and other artifacts to the huddle, create or reply to huddle discussions, and leave comments and replies on all artifacts in the huddle. The viewer role in a collaboration huddle isn't used frequently, but allows an individual who has been invited to a huddle in this role view-only rights to all videos, comments, and artifacts shared by members, owners, and creators. While these individuals are not active participants, meaning they do not have the ability to contribute videos, artifacts, and comments into the huddle, all participants can see that they have access to the space.
Coaching huddles exist to enhance and personalize one-on-one coaching and mentoring. These private and secure huddles help establish high levels of trust between professionals who are focused on continuous improvement. Coaching huddles have two participant roles: the coach, who in addition to huddle management permissions, can share and view videos, artifacts, and feedback in the huddle, and the coachee, who cannot manage the huddle but can fully contribute to the videos, artifacts, and conversations inside the huddle. While coaching huddles tend to be one-on-one spaces, meaning they're primarily used for a single coach to work with a teacher, coaching huddles can have multiple coaches, but never more than one coachee or teacher. Sibme's assessment huddles were designed to assess performance-based skills through assessee-submitted video. Assessment huddles are created with a submission deadline and a specified number of videos and/or artifacts. Additionally, huddle creators can invite multiple participants to participate inside the assessment huddle. Assessment huddles have two participant roles. Assessors are responsible for creating and managing the huddle. In addition, an assessor can add other assessors to help review participant videos. Assessed participants are invited into the huddle to submit their videos and artifacts for assessment. Participants can only view and interact with videos they personally uploaded or the assessor uploaded for the entire group, and will not be able to view videos submitted by other participants in the huddle.